Welcome to the Healthy Pantry, your daily dose of nutritional knowledge and wellness inspiration. We are delighted to have you here. In today's video, we're diving deep into the magnificent world of black currants. Get ready to dive into a world of vibrant flavor and incredible wellness as we explore the fantastic health benefits of black currants. From boosting your immune system to supporting heart health, these little berries are bursting with goodness. Make sure to stick around until the end, because you won't want to miss out on all the juicy details about how black currants can supercharge your well-being. Let's get started on this flavorful journey together. Firstly, black currants are a vitamin C powerhouse, which is essential for the proper functioning of the immune system. Vitamin C stimulates the production and function of white blood cells, which play a key role in defending the body against infections. Black currants are rich in antioxidants, including vitamin C and anthocyanins, which help protect immune cells from damage caused by harmful free radicals. Certain compounds in black currants may help stimulate the activity of immune cells, enhancing the body's ability to recognize and fight off pathogens. Regular consumption of black currants can contribute to overall immune system maintenance, helping to reduce the risk of chronic illnesses. Additionally, black currants are rich in antioxidants like anthocyanins and quercetin, which combat oxidative stress and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. What's more, black currants are rich in essential nutrients for eye health, including vitamin C and A lutein and zeaxanthin. The antioxidants, such as vitamin C and anthocyanins, help protect the eyes from oxidative stress caused by exposure to UV light and harmful free radicals. Lutein and zeaxanthin, found in black currants, are carotenoids that accumulate in the macula of the retina. They help filter harmful blue light and protect against age-related macular degeneration. The antioxidants in black currants may help reduce the risk of cataract formation by preventing damage to the lens of the eye caused by oxidative stress. Let's not forget about heart health. Black currants are packed with nutrients that benefit the cardiovascular system, including antioxidants, fiber, potassium, and polyphenols. The potassium content helps regulate blood pressure by counteracting the effects of sodium and promoting relaxation of blood vessel walls. Black currants' rich antioxidants, such as anthocyanins and vitamin C, help reduce oxidative stress and inflammation, which are linked to cardiovascular diseases. The anthocyanins in black currants may promote healthy blood vessel function, reduce arterial stiffness, and improve blood flow. Certain compounds may contribute to lower LDL cholesterol levels and higher HDL cholesterol levels, improving overall lipid profile. Moreover, black currants' antioxidants may aid in maintaining cognitive function by protecting brain cells from oxidative stress and reducing the risk of neurodegenerative diseases. But the benefits don't stop there. Black currants are a good source of dietary fiber, which is essential for maintaining a healthy digestive system. The fiber promotes regular bowel movements, preventing constipation and ensuring proper waste elimination. Dietary fiber acts as a prebiotic, nourishing beneficial gut bacteria, and promoting a balanced gut microbiome for optimal digestion. The combination of fiber and water content in black currants can help prevent bloating by promoting a feeling of fullness and preventing constipation-related discomfort. Dietary fiber supports a healthy colon by promoting the growth of beneficial bacteria, reducing the risk of colon-related issues. If you find this video helpful and informative, please support the Healthy Pantry channel by leaving your comment below, liking this video, and subscribing for more daily health and nutrition tips. There is more. Black currants have a low glycemic index, which means they cause a slower and more gradual increase in blood sugar levels compared to high GI foods. The fiber content can help stabilize blood sugar levels by slowing down the absorption of glucose, preventing rapid spikes and crashes. Certain compounds in black currants may contribute to improved insulin sensitivity, allowing cells to better respond to insulin and regulate blood sugar. Regular consumption of black currants nutrients, along with a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle, can potentially lower the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Lastly, the high water content of black currants can contribute to overall hydration, which is important for kidney function and waste elimination. The antioxidants, including vitamin C and anthocyanins, help protect kidney cells from oxidative stress and reduce the risk of kidney damage. The natural diuretic properties of black currants can promote urine production, aiding in the elimination of waste and toxins from the body. Some studies suggest that black currants may have a lower oxalate content compared to other fruits, potentially reducing the risk of kidney stone formation. Regular consumption of black currants can potentially contribute to a healthier urinary tract by promoting urine flow and preventing urinary tract infections. There you have it, folks. Embrace the sweet power of black currants for a healthier you. Dive into wellness, one berry at a time. Thank you for joining us here at the Healthy Pantry. We hope you found the information shared valuable and inspiring. Remember, your health is a journey, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.